down now. I can't get up.
Got it. Alright, how do I say? Take?
Yeah.
Huh? Oh, coming down?
Wait 1 second.
Down coming. Alright, ready?
Okay. Agnes has you on belay.
Hold
You
up.
can now get into lowering position.
So just pay attention.
Yeah, sit back in your harness.
Someone say pause.
You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, go on.
Start to lower. Nice and slow. Let us know if it's too fast or too slow.
Yeah, it's okay. Slower head. What? Slower.
Where is she?
Alright.
Let's go fucking.
Alright, if you give me some slack, I'll keep it over the.
Oh my god.
Alright, can I go?
Go.
Slack?
Go.
It's not even moving. Slack? More? More?
Go. Go. Go.
That way? I'm gonna try to flip it over. Try freaking out.
Edges.
Okay.
Is this okay?
Hedges. Too fast.